Well, here's a little impromptu video. Somebody told me this was true a while ago, and I just didn't really look much into it. I believed them, but I didn't really look too much into it. Oh, excuse me, dropping my thingamajig. If you have these royal P's or royal O's with the yellow key tops, they're only yellow because the plastic key ring or the key topper that they use is it's plastic, and that's yellowed. So what you can do is, if you have a whole lot of time on your hands and you need to get this yellow stuff off the typewriter, you just pop all these key tops off like so. Ding, 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 ding. Am I still in frame? Yeah, I guess I'm still in frame, huh? Okay. Oops. Don't lose the plot here, guy. Alright, we'll just do the bottom row. Anyway, once you do that and you get all these yellow junky celluloid tops off here, because that's all it is, it's just, they're just celluloid toppers. They're tiddlywinks. Get out of here, tiddlywinks. You're not needed anymore. I have the Z somewhere. But yeah, and then you could just go ahead and swap them over with your, I'm going to put new cards in this one, because these cards are pretty faded. But yeah, that will get rid of the yellowness, and then you just retop them with glass key tops from another I gotta clean all these glass. This is donor glass from a filthy royal, that filthy royal champion there. But anyway, guys, that was just my quick tip of the day. Obviously you have to pry the tops off. That's fun, but once you get good with this thing, it's just a matter of a couple of seconds to knock off the tops. But that's going to make my life a lot better, because I don't like the yellow key tops. Some folks might like the yellow key tops, but I don't. And I have like 3 or 4 of these yellow key topper guys. So I'm going to pump them out with better rings. Alright guys, that was it for today.